Morning guys! So today I wanted to show you guys around a little bit of Christchurch. This video is probably going to be pretty short because I'm just going for a short walk in my neighbourhood today, so nothing too special. However, I wanted to give a little explanation before we get into the video because Christchurch currently might look a little bit different from where you live or what you might expect. And that is because some of you might remember that about 7 years ago we had two huge earthquakes and like tens of thousands of aftershocks and pre-shocks and all that stuff. So essentially a lot of the city is gone and my side of the city is the side that got hit the worst by that. So what's happened is they're rebuilding a lot of the central business district, which I would love to show you guys at some point in the future. But today what we're going to be looking at is called the residential red zone, where essentially you're not allowed to build houses there anymore. So all the houses are gone and it's just like people's gardens that are now looked after by the council. So it's kind of like having a huge park, like really close to my house, which is probably the only good thing to come out of the earthquakes is this gorgeous like area that not everyone has in every city now. So we're lucky enough to have a whole ton of nature and a whole ton of beautiful stuff. So I'm just going to go for a little local walk and take you guys along. Let's do this. thanks so much for coming along with me on this little red zone journey. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and as I said earlier in the introduction, if you guys want to see more of this, there is so much residential red zone in Christchurch at the moment. I'd love to show you some more, or if you'd like to see the kind of inner city where they're actually rebuilding things, I'd also love to show you guys that. So just let me know what you'd like to see. I love Christchurch and I would love to show it off a little bit more to you guys if you enjoy seeing it. Anyway, thanks so much for coming along with me, and I will talk to you next time. Peace!